Hey everybody, and welcome to part 3 of the 1956 F350 dump truck build. Right now we are welding in some cross members into the box for stabilization. Also so we can build the box bed with the wooden planks over top. So we've got Wally on the welder right now, just putting in and welding down the cross member pieces. I'm just pulling out the fender a little bit just so it pushes that right fender out just a little bit, measuring out the cuts. Now I'm just taking the angle grinder, just cutting out the pieces that we just measured there out of the angle iron, just to go over the frame of the lift box. So you can see the expert cutting. It's probably taken me about 5 or 10 minutes longer than it should, but yeah, we're just cutting out the pieces there. Now I've jumped on the welder to weld in a couple of the cross member pieces. Obviously Wally's done all the other welding, so this is just providing some extra welding to those cross members. So first time on the welder, so that was pretty good. Well, he's just pointing out all the areas that I need to fix up that need a little more welding. So now I'm just, since all of my welds needed to be grinded down a little bit, so now I'm just working on that, grinding those down. So as you can see, all the cross members bracing was all completed, and we went out and got some wooden planks for the truck bed. So now I'm in the process of just and did all the cutting, so now we're just in the process of just putting those in. Here comes number 3. Oh, number 4. Almost forgot to tell you. Mambo number 5. Number 6. That one just needed a little help getting in there. Shake them around a little bit. And there we have it. This is our box bed. So right now I'm just in the process of measuring out the locations for the carriage bolts to put the to attach the wood down to the cross members that we put in. So I'm just in the process now of measuring all that out. Yeah, now just in the process of drilling all the hole locations that we measured out. So the drilling of the 60 holes for the carriage bolts, so we can attach the box. Very exciting stuff. Now I've grabbed a Pilsner, obviously to help with my drilling. So if you, when you see the truck, if you notice that any of the holes were out of line, or then obviously Pilsner was to blame. I'm just drilling through the steel cross members right now. So after that was completed, we put in all the carriage bolts, as you can see there. Now I'm just in the process of putting on some clear lacquer to bring out the natural coloring in the wood. And now I just finished off the end piece, and now just completing the lacquer job. Just making sure I get every nook and cranny. Oh, obviously I noticed I missed a couple spots. Just get a couple of those in there. And there you have it, the completed truck bed. Thanks for watching.